You're young, broke, and you don't want a job where you're flipping burgers or folding jeans. Here's a better idea. Sell digital products on Etsy. No shipping, no inventory. Just make it once and get paid over and over again. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can start selling digital products on Etsy. Even if you've got zero design skills, no money, and no clue what to sell. I'll show you what works, how to make your first product, and how to actually get sales. Let's go. So first, what's a digital product? It's anything people can download and use instantly. That includes things like study planners, phone wallpapers, resume templates, vision boards, budget spreadsheets, even Instagram story packs people pay for convenience, design, and time saved. You create it once, upload it, and people can buy it 24/7, even while you're asleep. Here's what you need to start: a free Etsy account, a free Canva account, or tools like Notion, Figma, or Google Sheets, a PayPal account to get paid, and about 30 to 60 minutes to make your first design. You don't need any drawing or coding skills. Canva is super beginner friendly. Just drag, drop, and export as PDF or PNG. Now let's talk product ideas that actually sell. Don't try to guess. Look at what's already working. Go to Etsy and search things like printable planner or student budget sheet. Look for lots of reviews, simple, clean designs, products with low competition but high demand. Pro tip, go niche. Instead of just a planner, try daily study planner for ADHD students. The more specific, the better. Let's say you're making a minimalist study planner. Open Canva and choose an A4 or US letter size template. Add sections like to-do list, study timer notes, priorities. Make it clean, readable, and aesthetic. Use fonts like Montserrat or Open Sans. Once done, export it as a PDF for print. That's what buyers want. Optional, create a mock-up, a preview of your product, by placing it inside a computer or desk scene using Canva frames. Now let's get it live. Go to Etsy Add Listing, upload your digital file title. Be clear and SEO friendly. Example: printable study planner for teens. Aesthetic digital PDF description. Write what's inside, who it's for, and how they'll use it. Use keywords like minimalist, printable, student productivity. Tags, add all 13, like planner, study, homework, PDF, and so on. Most teens stop here, but you want sales, right? Here's how to get them. Post a short TikTok showing your product, even just a mock-up with lo-fi music. Share your Etsy link in bio, join Pinterest, and post product pins with keywords like study routine tools. Offer your first 10 buyers a discount using Etsy coupons. Keep the design simple, aesthetic, and useful. People don't want fancy. They want functional. This is one of the cleanest ways to make money online as a teen. Once it's live, it can keep selling for weeks, even years, with zero extra work. Want more step-by-step methods like this? Hit the subscribe button and check out the rest of the Hustle Blueprint.